Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you add a new Payee for bill pay on Santander. In order to add a new Payee for bill pay on Santander, you first of all need to access your Santander UK online banking, and once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and select the payment and transfer tab from the home page. Next, you just want to set up a new payment. Underneath, you want to enter the payee's name, account number, and a short code as well. As you've done that, you want to confirm you want to save the payee for future use. As you've done that, you could simply go ahead and add in the payee information, and you could just go ahead and enter in all the details that has been asked, follow on the on-screen prompt, and that's when you'll be successfully added a new payee for bill pay on Santander. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.